In the crowded market of kitchen appliances, this Keylitos 5-in-1 Immersion Hand Blender Mixer stands out with its promise of versatility and power. With an impressive 1000 watts motor and a range of included accessories, this blender is designed to handle a variety of culinary tasks efficiently. Whether you're a busy parent, preparing baby food, or a home cook aiming to whip up soups and smoothies, this review will dive into what makes the Keylitos Immersion Blender a worthy addition to your kitchen arsenal. The Keylitos Immersion Hand Blender is equipped with a powerful 1000 watts motor, setting it apart from many traditional hand blenders. This robust motor ensures that you can tackle tough blending tasks with ease. From grinding hard vegetables to creating smooth sauces, the high-power output allows you to achieve consistent and efficient results every time. The blender's strength is particularly noticeable when working with dense ingredients, making it a versatile tool for a variety of recipes. One of the standout features of the Keylitos Hand Blender is its variable 15-speed settings, combined with a turbo boost button. The adjustable speeds allow you to fine-tune the blending process according to the specific requirements of your ingredients. The turbo button is especially useful for those moments when you need a burst of extra power to handle tougher tasks, such as crushing ice or blending fibrous vegetables. This flexibility makes the blender suitable for a wide range of cooking needs, from delicate sauces to hearty soups. Durability is a key factor when investing in a kitchen appliance, and the Keylitos Immersion Blender does not disappoint. Features 304 stainless steel cross blades that are not only scratch-resistant, but also designed to endure rigorous use. The advanced production technology used in crafting these blades ensures that they remain sharp and effective over time. This is particularly beneficial when blending harder foods or making baby food, where consistency and efficiency are crucial. The blender's stainless steel body adds a touch of sophistication to its design, while enhancing its longevity. The high-quality material ensures that the blender can withstand daily wear and tear without showing signs of damage. Additionally, the sleek black finish complements any kitchen decor, making the blender both a functional and stylish addition to your cooking space. The Keylitos Immersion Blender is a true multitasker, coming equipped with 5 essential accessories: blender, 600mm chopper, 800mm beaker, milk frothing attachment, and egg whisk. This diverse range of tools allows you to perform various culinary tasks with just one appliance. Whether you need to blend smoothies, chop vegetables, froth milk, or whip eggs, this hand blender covers all bases, making it an invaluable tool for any kitchen. Cleaning up after cooking can be a hassle, but the Keylitos Hand Blender simplifies this process. The detachable accessories are dishwasher-safe, meaning you can easily place them in the top rack of your dishwasher for a thorough clean. For those who prefer hand washing, the included cleaning brush makes it easy to rinse off any residue. However, it's important to avoid immersing the motor part, chopper lid, or whisk holder in water to ensure the longevity of the appliance. The Keylitos Hand Blender is particularly well suited for families and food enthusiasts. Powerful motor and versatile accessories make it a great choice for preparing baby food, smoothies, sauces, soups, and more. The included 600mm chopper is perfect for smaller batches, while the 800mm beaker is ideal for larger quantities. The milk frother and egg whisk add extra functionality, allowing you to create everything from frothy lattes to fluffy omelets. User-friendly design is a highlight of the Keylitos Immersion Blender. Variable speed control and turbo boost button provide ease of use, while the ergonomic handle ensures a comfortable grip during operation. The blender's efficient performance means you can spend less time preparing ingredients and more time enjoying your culinary creations. Pros and cons. Pros: powerful 1000 watts. Motor handles tough blending tasks with ease. 15-speed settings and turbo boost. Provides versatility for various blending needs. 304 stainless steel blades, durable and long-lasting. 5-in-1 functionality, includes multiple accessories for diverse culinary tasks. Easy to clean. Detachable and dishwasher-safe parts. Cons: size and weight. The blender may be bulkier compared to some handheld models, which could be a consideration for those with limited storage space. Motor noise. The powerful motor can be relatively noisy during operation. Conclusion. The Keylitos 5-in-1 Immersion Hand Blender Mixer is a powerhouse in the kitchen, offering exceptional performance and versatility. With its 1000 watts motor, adjustable speeds, and range of accessories, it provides a comprehensive solution for various blending tasks. Whether you're making baby foods, smoothies, or soups, this blender's powerful motor and durable design ensure that it meets your culinary needs. Its ease of cleaning and user-friendly features further enhance its appeal, making it a valuable addition to any kitchen. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.